Tagaytay, Kapuso, please welcome ang walang kupas at napakagwapo, Zoren Legaspi. Hi, Zoren. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Maraming salamat. Okay.
Kinakabahan ako, wala akong kasama. Normally, kasama ko yung family.
Oo nga, mas kinakabahan din si Mina pag mag-isa ka. Kumusta?
I'm okay. Everything is good.
Maraming salamat. Ang sarap, di ba? Everything's
Yeah.
good. And it wasn't easy to get to where you are today, pero ang sarap, di ba? Ang pakiramdam. Pero dito tayo unang pumunta. Hindi ko alam na nagkasalubong ang mga bata, Mavi, Cassie, ikaw, at saka sila Alex Iyala. At saka Miko, no?
Yeah.
The brother of Alex. What is
Alex.
the story?
Well, actually, Tito Boy, ayoko nga magsalita regarding that kasi ayoko yung matawag na nagbabandwagon ako kay Alex. But, you know,
Naiintindihan ko.
if you trace her history, masasama talaga kami. Katulad niya, makikita niyo sa picture, nandiyan si Cassie, yung katabi niya si Alex. Ayan, no? So,
Ang cute, no?
Yeah, the very young age, competitive na yung training niya. Ayan, si Maverick naman, nandiyan. Yung coach diyan, si Cecil Mamiit.
Oo.
Yung time na yun.
Who at one point was
Davis
number...
topper natin.
Top 100 yun.
Yes.
Oo.
Oo. Siya nagturo, nagkaroon sila ng session with Cecil Mamiit.
But you were coaching Mavi.
Yes.
Di ba?
Competitively, kaya kasabay ko sila sa court. So nakita ko talaga dito Boy yung hard work. I saw everything.
Oo. At ang nag-coach nila ni Alex at saka ni Miko, her brother, yung kanilang Lolo Bob, di ba?
Coach Bob, Lolo Bob ang tawag sa kanya.
Right.
Very close ako sa kanya because of kami lang, sorry, nagiging emotional ako. Yeah, kami kasi lagi nauuna sa court. Kasi we have to reserve the court. Magkapit-bahay kami sa court. And
Valle Verde ito, di ba?
Yes, so we have to be there very early. Siya nagwo-workout pa siya. Naka-all white yun. Always ready. Kaya nakita ko, Tito Boy, yung hard work nila. I saw everything.
And you
It's
saw
not-
them being trained.
Oh yeah. Hindi to yung tawa-tawa. That's not allowed in the court. Once you enter the court, kailangan prim and proper ka, maganda yung get-up mo, hindi ka yung mukhang... You're ready to play.
Okay. Pero habang pinapanood mo si Alex at saka si Miko, her brother, meron talaga, nakitaan mo talaga ng, wow, iba to.
Ang nakita ko sa kanila, first and foremost, is the discipline.
Okay.
Yung disiplina, nasa kanila, and they follow instructions. So, makikita mo kaagad sa kanila na very coachable. Very coachable. Alam mo yung kay...
I like that, coachable. Kasi meron
Yeah.
naman talagang hindi coachable.
Yes.
Katulad ko. Kahit
yung
anong coaching.
si Lolo Bob, si Coach Bob, tinawag ako, Zoren, halika. Ako, tinitrain ko ngayon si Alex. Kasi dati nanonood lang yan eh. Sabi niya, nakita ko kasi yan nasa fence, nanonood ng tournament. Nanonood daw siya the whole tournament, pinanonood daw niya si Alex na talagang nakaganon lang sa fence, pinanonood yung tournament.
Yung mga laro, oo.
Oo, kaya after that, sinabi niya, gusto mo bang mag-train? Yun, nag-yes na. Yun ang kwento sa akin ni Coach Bob.
Galing naman. Oh, but when you were training also Mavi, parang there was a below 12, anong tawag niyo? 12 and below
Yeah,
competition.
12 under, 10
12
under.
under, di ba? Kung saan nag-compete si Miko, the brother of Alex, at saka sila Mavs, di ba?
Yes. Actually, nakasama ko namin sila sa Kuchay, Malaysia.
Okay.
Doon nag-tournament si Maverick. And doon ko na-realize na ang hirap nito. Doon ka talaga, ang hirap nito, ang hirap.
How proud are you? I mean, as a tennis player.
I'm emotionally proud, like I said, na when I see her like raising the trophy, iba yung nararamdaman ko. I feel so emotional dahil nga nakita ko yung hirap. You know, for the people who doesn't really know much about tennis, ang tennis is like running a marathon. While running a marathon, you're playing chess. And while playing chess, you're playing darts.
Tama.
Ganyan kahirap ang tennis. Napakahirap. Bukod dyan yung, alam mo, Tito Boy, na-witness ko, in a day, 2 hours in the morning, tapos 4 hours in the afternoon sila mag-training.
At saka, alam mo ang nangyari kasi sa Toronto rin. Alam niyo po, 7 games mula sa Mubadala, Washington, D.C., di ba? Napanalo ni Alex yon. She was playing her 8th against Ben Chick. Siguro talaga may pagod din. she played very well. I mean,
Yeah.
champion na lumabas. WTA 500 yon. So, congratulations. Nakaka-proud lamang.